we are ready with our server 2025, so we would be able to install the Active Directory service role in order to bring the domain into our Active Directory services. So we need to ensure that we should install the roles and features by logging into our server. I have logged into the server, guys, and you can see that it's a server manager is there, and I have opened the login to the machine and open the server manager. Now I will be installing the ADDS roles, Active Directory domain services role, because we have seen that we need to ensure the server should be in domain. So I will install here the Active Directory domain services role. Okay, so I will maximize the screen, and from here you can see that manage tab, there are certain add roles and features, so it will open the window. It will take some time since the server is slow, guys. Okay, so I will click on next. Now the administrator should be having a strong password and should ensure that the role-based installation will be true, because we are configuring a single server by adding the roles and features. So we are selecting the server from the pool. Okay, so since this is an evaluation version, guys, so we would be taking this so 151 is the IP address of the server. Now here Active Directory domain services role will install, guys. Okay, so basis on your requirement you can install these roles. So as we need to connect the server to the domain, so we will install the Active Directory domain services role, guys. And we because our agenda is to from on-premise user, as per our agenda will go as we have installed the server and configure the server on the virtual box. Now our issue is now our main concern is to install the Active Directory domain services role, guys. After Active Directory domain services role installed, we'll add the domain and then we will add the users also. Okay, so for this before we will add the domain.com in our on server, and after that we will enroll for the users in our server to 2025. Okay, guys, so I will install the Active Directory domain services role first. Next, restart the destination server. Okay, required. So we are making it as an Active Directory domain server so that it can communicate with the our destination server. So guys, please bear with me as it takes some time. So it's installing the feature installation of this server. So guys, once these get installed, we will see that the Active Directory domain services will get installed. And after that, what we will do, we will bring the server in our Active Directory domain. Okay, so once this installation will get completed, we will from the server manager, since the server is in our work group, so we will bring it in domain as per our diagram. Okay, since the server is in work group, so we will bring it in domain.com domain, and after that we will configure the users in by going to Active Directory users and services, guys. Okay, so for configuring these users, we will do the feature installation of Active Directory domain services, so that the server will bring it in domain which is .com and .in. If anything .org, whichever domain you want, you can add this domain later, but before this you need to install this role, guys. Okay, so now since our server is installing the feature installation, after the installation we will do the work group. From the work group we will bring it to the domain. Okay, so in server manager thing I will show you on the local server, since our server now is in work group domain, so we'll bring it in our uh, .com domain. Okay, will means this Active Directory domain services, it will connect to the this .com domain. It will register this domain, and after that we can enroll the users in our server 2025. So guys, please stay connected. Thank you for watching, guys.